nice and warm. The coffee is hot. It is delicious. Hello everybody, welcome. It's time for Hearts and Crafts with Anna. I'm Anna. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it's so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. I am so excited about today's video. I am participating in the Sunday Funday challenge hosted by Diane and Janie over at Deco. It is a challenge where we get to make anything we want, so long as it's fun, so long as we're having fun doing it. And I have chosen 3 DIYs today. And there is nothing more fun than, first of all, a happy birthday banner. Second of all, a candy basket for Easter. And third of all, an egg hunt spring fence. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of my upcoming spring and Easter fun. Don't forget to check out the playlist for the Sunday Funday challenge. Don't forget to check out Deco Easy with Diane and Janie. And so now let's get to my craft table. Let's get started with this Funday challenge. Let's get to it. Let's have some fun. Join my craft, won't you? For DIY number 1, the Easter basket, you're going to need 4 boxes of candy, all about the same size, 1 piece of cardboard about 6.5 inches by 8 inches, some Easter grass, and whatever items you're going to be putting in the Easter basket. From my 4 boxes of candy, I had 2 that were slightly larger than the other 2, so I started by gluing down the 2 larger boxes first. As you're gluing down the boxes, make sure that you have the front side of the boxes facing you. When I glued down the remaining boxes, I added glue on the bottom cardboard and on the inside edge of the other boxes. Once all the boxes are in place, you add the grass and fill your Easter basket. For DIY number 2, the spring fence, you're going to need some Waverly antique wax, some Waverly chalk paint in the color plaster. You're going to need 8 popsicle sticks. I pre-painted these with the antique wax and dry brushed them with the plaster. On 6 of them, I cut off one side of the round into points to make them look like a picket fence, and the other 2 I left both ends round. You're going to need 3 egg cutouts out of cardboard and 1 spring chick out of cardboard. You're going to need some scrapbook paper and some letters. I'm going to be using my stamps. I started by placing the picket fence posts evenly and then attaching the top and bottom crossboards with hot glue. Next, I cut out the chick and egg patterns from the scrapbook paper. Next, I applied the scrapbook paper to the cardboard cutouts using a glue stick. After applying my initial paper pattern, I added a contrasting paper pattern to the eggs and the beak and feet of the baby chick. Next, I used my stamps to spell out the words egg hunt on these scrap pieces of paper. I then cut out the paper to make a banner. To make the banner, I took about a 12-inch piece of cotton twine and attached the paper flags to the cotton string. I folded over the top edge, applied some glue stick, and attached it to the cotton twine. Next, I used some yarn to trim the edges of the baby chick and the eggs. I used a white yarn for the baby chick and a multicolor yarn for the eggs. I gave the baby chick a wing, adding dimension and more interest. So cute. What do you think? Next, I glued the baby chick and eggs to the picket fence. I am so liking where this is going. You with me? Next, I attached the banner to the fence post, and it looks really cute. It's time for the finishing touch. You can't hide eggs on a bare fence. You gotta have grass and flowers to hide the eggs. Next, I'm attaching a piece of cotton twine for the hanger. For DIY number 3, the birthday banner, you'll need 1 birthday banner, a set of the felt banners, 2 sets of curly Q bows, and some letter stickers. All of these supplies are from the Dollar Tree. I started by applying the stickers onto the felt banner. Then I threaded the cotton twine through the banner flags. Next, I removed the staple from the curly Q ribbon. I wrapped a piece of Scotch tape around the middle. I cut it in half, creating 2 pieces, and then I wrapped some baker's twine around each one, creating kind of like a tassel, and then I tied each of those tassels onto each end of the felt banner. Next, I took one of the set of 2 curly Q ribbons. I folded it in half. I used the baker's twine and tied it around the top like a tassel, making one big tassel. And then I tied each of those to in between the 2nd and 3rd flag of the happy birthday banner. Next, I tied the name banner or the felt banner after the 4th flag on each side of the happy birthday banner. This birthday banner was super easy and fun to make. Happy birthday to you! And this fun candy Easter basket turned out so cute. Normally I add a handle to it. I didn't have anything today, but I'll usually use a Slim Jim beef stick on there, or you can use a licorice rope, but I will add it on later. There is a bunny in there, some Easter eggs, and a puzzle, but you can put in whatever you'd like. Doesn't this egg hunt look like loads of fun? Thank you to Diane and Jenny for hosting the Sunday Funday Challenge. The playlist is linked in the description below, along with their channel, Deco Easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!